welcome. Let's move together for 10 minutes, boost our mood, elevate our energy. Just start with a nice, simple walk. Really spread out the fingertips. We want to bring ultimate presence into everything that we do for the next 10 minutes. We can carry that through for the rest of our day. Move laterally as we step and march side to side. Just move about your space. Get the body ready for the day. Or maybe you're cooling it down for the day. Whichever it is, we're going to feel exceptionally better after this 10 minutes. Remember to comment. Let's find out where each other's from. We're building this amazing community here. Let's comment where you're watching from the world. Realize we're all in this together. It's fascinating to see how we build a community that's so global. I am here in Helsinki, Finland. The sun is just coming up as I step to the side with a bit of a twist. Spring is here. I got an amazing comment from somebody who was just saying how, their day wasn't going that great. And they put the video on. We were talking about happiness being the way, that there is no way to happiness, that we control our mood, our happiness, not to let others affect that. It fired me up. Made me think, really it is. My New Year's resolution this year was not to let anything outside of me affect what's going on the inside. And since January 1st, I've failed 75,000 times, maybe more. But I still think it's a good goal and a good practice. To me, that's really the definition of spirituality. Not to allow anything outside of you to affect what's going on the inside. And let happiness be the way. And I think 10 minutes of gentle movement can absolutely do that. Can start us on that path that I'm in control. We're going to take it nice and easy today because tomorrow we're going to start to work on building some real strength. Light, gentle movement is amazing. As I reach it out here, boosting the mood, elevating the energy with light, gentle movement is amazing. But I've come across some incredible information, continue to come on across this information about our leg strength and how that correlates with brain health. And as we age, keeping the brain healthy, really doing our best to avoid Alzheimer's and dementia particularly. And we're going to focus on that next week. But today, we're just going to move with presence and gratitude. But we're also going to, knee elbow, build a little core stability while we're at it. Why wouldn't we? Wherever you're at is good. Move more to feel better. That motto seems to have resonated with many of you. I like it. I know that it works for me. And it's not about doing major workouts, anything of that nature. Pardon me. Cycling to work. I know I'm in so much better mood when I do that rather than getting in traffic. Elbow to knee, but also moving laterally. We want to build mobility while we build this great core stability as well. Doing light, gentle workouts. Taking the stairs. Just finding ways to move more. To feel better. So that those evening walks become a blessing, not a punishment. Holding a plank once in a while on the countertop. Doing a few push-ups from time to time. Just finding ways to move. That's another one I think we like to get into soon. The ability to do a few push-ups. Okay, shake that out. Just open up your chest. Bring your breath and connect it with each movement. Open those lungs up. Your mind wanders, you notice it, and you guide it back. Maybe you bring a little step into this move, just nice and gentle. I'm reading a wonderful book on essentialism right now, and it's got started really like work essentialism, like all the emails and all the nonsense bureaucracy that we have to deal with at work. And I brought it down to more simpler terms, like essentialism, like the breath. What's the most essential thing we have? We need to breathe. How often do we focus on our breathing? Eating essentially. Not to say we shouldn't enjoy occasional treat, but really, what are the foods that really nourish us? And really, essential, all those thoughts in our head. How often we get caught up in the monkey mind. Overthinking, just thinking way too much. Instead of just connecting to the breath. What are the essential thoughts? Where I take ownership of my thoughts rather than the mind owning me. We connect to the breath. We get single focus, and we're not in that incessant overthinking, self-deprecating thoughts. Okay, shake that out. Oh, I knew it was going to be a little philosophical today. That sun coming up this morning got me pretty grateful. Okay, it's all about functional fitness, as we talk about all the time. What's more functional than just the ability to bend down, pick something up with ease without pain? So let's practice that. Just bend with your knees. If you feel pain, stop, modify, do something else. Oh, I can only speak of my own story, and that's all I'm doing. I don't like getting caught up in the diet wars and eating this and eating that, but I used to suffer terribly from lower back pain. And when I changed my diet to a completely plant-based diet nearly 15 years ago, my lower back, it's exceptional. It's like I found the elixir to life. It's just finding the most healthiest foods, whole foods to eat. That inflammation went away. And the ability to bend over like this without pain is one of the greatest gifts I've ever been given. Movement is amazing. What we eat is so important. Without controversy, if we just maybe focus on whole foods, we can agree on that. As little processing as possible. Just bend. Oh, couple more. Yes. Oh. Okay. Get up on the balls of our feet. I have the ability to do this now. Still in a bit of a recovery phase. But just move. Making sort of circles with the arms and the balls of the feet. And let's pick it up. I don't think picking them up. I'll be okay. Let's pick up the pace a bit. Let's get the heart rate up. We're going to finish really so we can walk away from this session feeling elevated, mood boosted. Quick with the legs. A nice circle with the arms, just really intentional. I think I found the most heavily populated area for geese in the city. All right, a little quicker. Come on. Yes. Today is a great day for a great day, right? Make it amazing. I am in control of my attitude. Every situation, every challenge that I face, I'm not going to let get me down. I'm going to take it head on. Yeah, I think I can. I can choose a positive outlook. I'm allowed. Oh. All right, shake the arms, just a couple nice gentle hugs. Oh, take this level of presence throughout your entire day. Oh, hallelujah. It is good to be alive. Okay, for me, I'm going to spend the next 30 seconds or so really focusing on not allowing what's outside of me to affect what's going on the inside. Happiness is the way. I get to choose how I see things. Have a brilliant day. I look forward to doing this again tomorrow. Be ready tomorrow. We're going to build some strength, baby. Oh yeah, remember to comment. Let us know where you're from. That'll be fun. See how many people we can see from all over the world. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.